Good morning, everybody. What's up? Sorry I was late. Had a kid issue, but it's all resolved. Welcome. Oh, so happy. What's it? Thursday today? Thursday. Yes. No. Yeah. How's everybody? Alright. Hold on. Roll call. Let's do roll call. Joker Miner, good morning. Patrick Murphy, happy iPolo day. What are you guys talking about? Happy iPolo. What's going on with that? I missed the stream. What are you guys talking about? What are you guys talking about? Tell me. While I screw in the last SSD and then we'll install TrueNAS Scale. Can someone explain to me what happened exactly? I didn't watch the clip. I just heard something about iPolo, Red Panda. Joker Miner, I can't watch it right now. Patrick Murphy, I can't watch it right now. What happened? Tell me what happened. I didn't watch it yet. iPolo said your server is on the way, more or less. What? What server? What server? Or ASIC? What server? Like what is it? What I thought I've been sent all the I thought I've been sent all the iPolo stuff already. That there isn't anything new. Is there something new? Whoa, Chili. Chili, hello, good sir. How are you, Chili? You are getting a new machine in the mail. Well, what machine is it? I'd like to know. Oops, I just dropped the SSD. Alright, that's in. I got TrueNAS Scale on here. Alright, the first stream we did yesterday, anyone just tuning in, we were also fixing a memory issue, which we resolved. 3 DIMMs were not working. We replaced the RAM. It works now. 96 gigs of RAM. We got a bunch of 1 terabyte TimeTech SSDs. 2 120 gig SSDs to mirror the host drive for TrueNAS Scale. That's it. You know what? Forget it. Patrick Murphy, it's a friggin' server stream. Patrick Murphy, you are banned. Alright. Okay. Alright, let him find out for himself. All set, Miner? God, you guys are all horrible. Alright. Smash that like button. 45 people watching. 22 likes. Let's get the YouTube algorithm to give me some bandwidth. My stream is lagging. Let's see. Okay. Alright, there we go. Alright. Let's do it. So, SSDs are in. Now what? We're going to install TrueNAS. Let's do it. I gotta put the USB in on the back. And I just realized there's no USB. Is there any USB ports on the front? Nope. Only on the back. Wait, how many USB ports are in the back? Oh, there's one on the inside here. Can I install it this way? No. If I take out the mouse and keyboard, I won't have a mouse. I won't have a... Could I theoretically put the keyboard into the USB here in the inside? Would that work? I'm gonna try it. Would that work? In theory, it should, right? Alright, let's turn it on. Also verify the memory is still okay. Okay. Let's booting up. Yeah, my friend of mining has long fingers. What? Joker miner. Quiet. Quiet. Alright, let's verify we still have 96 gigs of RAM. Intel server board. Wow, 900 mega hash. ETC iPolo. Is that a wow? I don't think that's a wow. Do they smell like hot dogs? Yes. It's a pirate. Hello, RPM. Hope you have a great day. Thank you, good sir. Yes, we still see 96 gigs of RAM. Thank God. Nothing is broken. Okay, now, how do we boot from my USB? Boot manager. UEFI SanDisk. Okay, we're gonna... Can we move these down? Can I... Oh, it's frozen. It's frozen. It's frozen. Something happened. Ah, here we go. Start TrueNAS Scale installation. All right, this is where the fun begins. I'm gonna bring you guys in. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Is that close enough? That's as far as I can go. Hold on, I need to readjust my camera. Okay. Start. Enter. Chili, you have tomorrow off? Nice. Nice, nice. All track, what's up? Hello, RPM. Nick K, what's up? Alright. Where's Overboard Tech when you need him? So, how... I'm just curious, how am I going to... I need to show which drives. Oh, the programs included in Debian Linux are now free software. Okay. Alright. Install, upgrade. Whoa, what is going on? What is going on? Holy crap. Alright. What? Okay. Alright, I'm confused here. Time to... Okay, so these are my SSDs. 1 terabyte, 1 terabyte, 120 gig, 120 gig. So, install TrueNAS to a drive. Multiple drives can be selected to provide redundancy. Chosen drives are not available for use in TrueNAS UI. Arrow key... Install TrueNAS to a drive. Multiple drives can be selected. Okay, so I select my 120 gig SSDs. So I'm hitting the space bar to select the 120 gig because we want to mirror the host drive, TrueNAS drive to that. Okay. Alright, I'm going to press enter. Installing SATA SAS MGM, it was recommended. USB flash sticks are discouraged. Proceed with installation. Yes. Root user, not administrative user admin. Configure using web UI. Administrative user admin. Yeah, that's fine. Password. Red Panda. Oh, gotta type that again. Alright, wait. Type that again. Alright. Okay. Username admin. Password will be... Okay. Create a 16 gig swap partition on boot drive? Sure. Alright. Smoky Den. God damn it. Allow EFI boot. Press yes for system with newer components such as NVMe devices. Enter no when system hardware requires legacy BIOS boot workaround. Do we say yes or no? I don't have any NVMe in here. It's just regular SSD. Yes or no? I'm gonna say no. So what else you guys what else is everyone up to today? What else is everyone up to? I'll trade you an M2 for a 580. 619 OTA. No. Okay, so we are extracting, installing. Sitting at work watching you. Joker Miner, yeah, that's a great life you're living right now. What, Joker Miner, where do you work? Tell us. Watching shows and live streams. Smokey Dan, of course you are. Dreaming of XXL blocks being hit. Oh my god. What a scam. That nice hash gold or XXL, whatever. My god, I put $1,000 to that. What a waste of money. Never again. What a frickin' waste. That is just horrible. Just terrible. I even posted on Twitter, someone's gonna get fired, and a screenshot of that. Not finding a block. You could have bought a KS0 for 1,000. Yeah, I could have. I'm so pissed. Joker Miner, I work at a university for chiropractic college. Joker Miner, that sounds interesting. Chiropractic stuff where, you know, people go one-on-one with someone to like break their backs, break their necks. You know, touching them. I bet some like sensual stuff goes on there. I bet. And it never makes it to the news. They like cracks. Trying to hit the lottery to buy your farm. Techman. Oh, buy Chili's farm? Ah, Chili don't sell. Performing post-install tasks. Okay. So he works at a Asian nail salon. I love it. I love it. Adam Scott Sheldon. I'm delivering for FedEx. Watching you, bro. Love your content. Can't wait to get a rig of my own. Adam Scott Sheldon, dude, thanks, man. You don't have a mining rig of your own? Oh, and you're watching me? That's awesome. We do play pickleball daily in our new gym, which is nice. RedPandaMining. Joker Miner, nice. Pickleball. Is that like the new craze? That's a new craze. TrueNAS installation on SDC succeeded. Please reboot. Remove installation media. All right, I'm gonna press OK. Press OK. And we're gonna reboot. And I'm gonna take out the USB. All right, USB is taken out. Now, is it gonna boot into TrueNAS? Joker Miner, reflection. Yeah, I saw it. Not my face though. Tains, what's up, man? Working? Yes, it's working. Yes, Tains. Yeah, the 96 gigs of RAM still works. Thank God. I'm pulling 2 48-foot trailers and 75 with you fine folks, keeping me company. Loadmaster God, nice, man. Nice. Tains, no, I am working. Oh. Sorry, I was being narcissistic then. Tains, how are you? I just realized something. Why do some of the lights show up on the front of the server and some don't? That's kind of concerning. Look. Light there. No light on that one. No light on this one. That's concerning. That is very concerning. Very concerning. Love how all of us is just chilling. Yeah, all set. Yeah, same. Jason Osborne. Be careful of the reflection of the monitor. Jason Tiger Osborne. I know. God damn it. What's up, Jason? The new iPolo is a hydro style 900 megahash, but the wattage is not specified. Oh, okay. Joker Miner, focus is off. Your focus is off. Okay, TrueNAS Scale, Linux. Press enter. But the drives showed up before. Steven Cicero. Yes, they did, Steven. Steven, did my phones show up? Oh boy, it's doing something. Are they detected? I don't know. I guess we'll find out in a second, Techman. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 1 terabytes. So there should be 7 TimeTech SSDs showing up. Wolf, I need to go. Wolf, goodbye. Retro Mike rugged. Yes, Retro Mike has scammed me on this server. Still en route, but they passed customs, so no, so any day. Okay, Steven, nice. Could be just lights, LED lights are dead if everything's showing up. Smokey Dan, I guess we'll see once we're inside. Jokomaya, those SSDs were crammed in, so probably not a good connection. God damn it. God damn. I forgot to put in my 10 gig NIC. Shoot. 10 gigabit NIC. I need to put that in. Maybe 2. Wait, could I even fit 2 10 gig NICs in here? Yeah, I think so. I should be able to. I don't know what it's doing right now, but it's still loading in. Is there a GUI? I just realized, is there a web GUI for this thing or no? Like, will I be able to set this up? Oh, I'm on top chat. Shoot, I'm not reading. Okay, I'm missing a whole bunch of messages here. Oh my god, so many messages. TrueNAS has a web GUI. As a pirate? Okay. Matt K? Yes, okay. Oh, shit. Oh, this is the console. Oh, okay, so I can access the web user interfaces at 10.100, 100, 218. Oh, okay. Alright, let's do it. That's great. This is great. Nope, I'm using the wrong keyboard and mouse. Shoot. Enter option 1 through 9. Okay, reboot, shutdown. Okay, so you know what? I don't need the mouse and keyboard anymore. So I can take that out now. Mouse, keyboard, disconnected. I'm taking this out. Mouse and keyboard. We're gonna log in through the web. Okay. Jokomiter. Oh my god, I said live chat. I know, okay? Just give me a break. Just give me a break. Alright, what was the IP? 10, 100, 100.218. Alright, I'm gonna bring you guys in. I'm bringing you guys in. Hold on. Alright, there we go. I want to read the chat at the same time. Alright. Alright, wow, 77 people here. Smash the like. Let's go. Anyone at Mining Disrupt? No? Alright, I'm in. So this is the web GUI. Can you guys see that? Yeah, okay, you guys can see that. Alright, username is admin. Password was RedPanda. Log in. No. Alright. Alright, so now what? Check for updates. No updates available. Perfect. Storage. No pools. What are my disks? I want to see my disks. Okay, this is important. So I said I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 1 terabytes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, perfect. How do I know this is on like a mirror mode? Is there some way to tell that? Like, how do you know it's mirrored or not? E5 2697 V2 processors, 94 gigs of RAM. Where can you see the data protection, scrub tests, replication, smart tests, shares, data sets, storage, boot pool. I just want to know if this is mirrored or not. How do I tell? CPU 40 degrees Celsius, all cores. Storage, create a pool, network, gigabit. Okay, I can see the network stuff. Okay, iSCSI. Ah, this is what I wanted. iSCSI block shares target. Okay. Alright, this is interesting. Virtualization. Your CPU does not support KVM extensions. Virtualization is not supported. Wow. Okay. Oh, I don't think we need that because we're not virtualizing on here. Okay, so it looks like we need to do our storage pool first. Configure. No. Okay, storage. Steven, what RAID do you want? I already set the RAID. Set up your RAID array first. Okay. Disks. Create pool. Alright, I'm gonna just select all the 7 1 terabyte. So yeah, 7 selected. Name. This is gonna be my VM Datastore. The RPM VM Datastore. Encryption? Yes. Enable ZFS encryption for this pool and add an encryption algorithm selector. Oh, dude. Dude. Enable ZFS. Okay. I need to do this, right? I just realized. I remember Flux was saying that it's on the node operator to encrypt. So this is gonna be, this is the encryption they're talking about at the storage level encryption. So I'm doing it. This is it. Encryption is users storing sensitive data. Pool level encryption does not apply to storage pool or disks in the pool. It applies to the root dataset that shares the pool name and any child datasets created unless you change the encryption at the time you create the child dataset. For more information about encryption, please refer to TrueNAS document. Okay. Alright, well, will my keys show up on here? AES 256 CCM. AES 256 GCM. AES 256 GCM. Okay. Alright, I think I'm fine with that. Alright, is this... Alright, suggested layout. Create a recommended formation of VDEVs in a pool. I'm just selecting all. Data VDevs. Stripe. How do I add one for redundancy? I want to have one that's gonna be like, you know. Do I unselect one and just do 6? Like it doesn't Oh, drive reserved for inserting data into pool VDevs. Oh, hot spare. Okay. No. Huh? Encryption standard. No, I'm reading that wrong. Data. Hot spare. Did I made a... How do I know? Let's see. Log hot spare. How do I select what type of dedupe duplication table stored on this special V type? That must be size X gigabyte. Log device can improve speed. Synchronous writes. Optional write cache that can be removed. ZFS L2 ARC read cache that can be used with fast devices to accelerate read operation. Optional VDev. I'm just gonna... Now what? Alright, alright, I'm just gonna go suggested here. What is this? Stripe. Okay, here we go. Here we go. RAID. Alright, mirror, RAID Z, Z2, Z3. Alright, here we go. Okay, here we go. I want at least 2. No. Yeah, 2 1 terabyte as redundancy. 4.65 terabyte. What if I did Z3? What does Z3 mean? Oh, that's 3 hard drive redundancy, 2 hard drive redundancy. RAID Z configures operate different balances, data redundancy, and total capacity for selected disks. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 2. Wait, what? Arrange a Stripe uses comparatives no redundant. Oh, Stripe uses entire capacity. Okay, yeah, failed redundant. Mirror requires at least 2 disks. Mirrors at the same 1 disk, each one which total capacity. RAID Z configurations offer balances of data redundancy and total capacity for selected disks. Okay. Oh, Overboard Tech is here. Matt K. Z2 is not redundant. It's parity. You can mirror them and have parity disk too. That's what I do. So total 3 terabyte accessible would we need to have 3 failed drives. Wow, Overboard Tech, 3 failed drives. So I don't need to do 3. Can I just do the Z2 then? Is that the Z2? Because if I did Z3, 3.72, Z2, I'm okay with 2. These are just for my virtual machines. I'm not doing any like massive file storage or anything. So my virtual machines are going to be like 30 gig, 20 gig. You know, I'm gonna definitely have enough space. I'm gonna have enough space. What? RAID Z. RAID Z would give me what? 5.58. All right, let's do Z2. Hold on, let's just Google ZFS Z2. What is RAID Z? RAID Z is standard RAID that uses ZFS file system. No other file system can be used in this array. Note that there is not a single hardware controller that implements RAID Z. ZFS file system additional. Right, there's no like. Okay, yeah, it's all software. File system. Okay, next edition. ZFS. Okay, I just wanted to know what Z2 means exactly. RAID Z2 is more fault tolerant as it uses 2 parity blocks and 2 data blocks from one piece of information. This is an analog of RAID 6 and can also withstand. Okay, so I know RAID 6. Okay, I know what this means. RAID 6 is 2 hard drive failover, 2 hard drives, two drives, and can also withstand collapse of as many as 2 disks. Okay, in RAID Z2, the maximum number of disks is at least 4. All right, I'm down with that. I'm good with that. Can I create now? Ah, Mr. Overboard Tech. Overboard Tech, do you do encryption? And now with all this talk about, you know, Flux and encryption is based on the node operator, we have to do this ourselves. Do you do this? Does this obviously slow down or probably use more resources on the host machine? Like, I'm assuming this is going to use a lot more resource. Overboard Tech, I do not. Matt K, Flexed encryption is on the customer to encrypt their data, not the node operator. I'm pretty sure they said it's on the node operator. It's on the system operator, like the people who the system. No, it is on the node operator. I'm pretty sure they said that. Matt K, I think you heard wrong. you heard wrong. It's the opposite. All right. Let me just read this. Encrypting a storage pool. Encrypting the root storage pool further increases data security. All datasets added to the pool with encryption applied inherent encryption. This means all datasets added to the pool with encryption are also encrypted. Create a new pool and set encryption in the pool manager. TrueNAS shows a warning. Create a warning, select confirm, click I understand. We recommend using the default encryption cipher. Okay. Encrypting a new dataset. TrueNAS can encrypt the new datasets within the existing encrypted and storage pool without having to encrypt the entire pool. To encrypt a single dataset, go to storage. Okay, we did that. Encryption option. Okay, locking and unlocking datasets. That's an unencrypted pool with an encrypted dataset also shows icon. It's always someone else's fault. Flux pushes it off to the app owner, not the node operator. I swear, I have many screenshots, many people say, King even said it's on the node operator. Jeff Key said something about it being on the node operator. It's on the node operators. It's on the people who have the hardware to encrypt the data. I swear I've heard that like a million times. Yeah, it was in the Mining King's interview. Yeah, Mining King's interview. He said that. I wouldn't encrypt it if it's just for VM. So what Flux said may apply to the virtual disk. Yeah. No, I'm 100% certain it's on the node operator. Not how would the app operator encrypt their own thing when it's hosted on someone else's system? I'd rewatch that video. They said node operator. Yeah, I'm 100% certain it is on the node operator. They said it's not on the node. No, Matt K, you're wrong, man. You're wrong. So in my head, how would the app operator be able to encrypt on their end, like the system file encryption? There's no way they could do that. In my head, there's no way for them to do that. Matt K, you're wrong. No, Matt K, you're wrong on everything. You said the ZFS 2FS is not redundant. This is wrong. Wrong. You're wrong. I'm calling you out. You're wrong. Pretty sure Panda's right. Automatic beats. I swear I've heard that a million times. Node operator encryption. It's on the node operator for encryption. I swear. I swear that's what I've heard. I swear. Overboard Tech. The disks are encrypted by default. You don't need to select a different cipher. Okay. Okay. Oh, it logged me out. Overboard Tech, I'm gonna trust you. Oh, I lost my thing. No. Okay. RPM VM Datastore. So I don't need to do this button. Overboard Tech. Suggest layout. Alright. 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 Not doing that. Okay, let's see. Okay, RAID Z2. Okay. Alright, done. So we're not doing this. Well, what's the harm in doing this? Is there any... Encryption is for users storing sensitive data. Pool level encryption does not apply to the storage pool or disks in the pool. It applies to the root dataset that shares the pool name and any child datasets created unless you change the encryption. Okay. Alright, forget it. Alright. I'm gonna do what Overboard Tech said. We're not gonna click that. We're not gonna click that. Alright, create. The contents of all the data disks will be erased. Yes, create pool. Alright, it's going. It's doing it. And the monitor is going nuts. Oh, the lights are working on the front. They're just really dim. They're just really dim. The ones that don't show the lights vividly, it's just very dim. All right, we're gonna read the chat. Hold on, let's go back to the screen. Okay. All right, read the chat here. The Flex protocol is fundamentally flawed if a node operator can expose data. Chiropractors are a scam. Listen, setting up SMB3 multi-channel is essential because anything lower is risky sharing over network. Sterling Bruno. Dude, I haven't heard of multi-channel for a long time. I remember using multi-channel with like 4 gigabit NICs. Like 4 gigabit NICs teamed together in Windows Server 2012 or something. Well, you can't change your password in Zelcore either, but it's your fault if something happens. Wonderful ecosystem. TechMan. All track. RedPandaMining. My crypto wallet VM Datastore, I'd use encryption for my own safety. Matt K. Node operators can't even access this data on Fractus node anyway. Oh, okay. Overboard, it just slows down. Matt K. Your harm is you easily get locked out of your datasets and get effed. Encryption enabled is resource intensive. Yeah, I thought so. Red Hat. Look at this guy. Tains. King and everyone is trying to say that the operator's responsibility, but the Flux says no. It would be on the app owner. How about this? Ask Jeff Key. ZFS is a secure and fast alternative to NTFS. You don't need it. Zenko sounds good. I smell smoke. Oh, 619 Ota, you are banned. There's no ban button. All right. Joker Miner, reading chat. I'm reading chat. All right, done. Now what? Now what do we do? Okay, what do we do now? Usable capacity 4.2 terabyte. Okay. So how now? How do I connect this to my 3 VM hosts? My 150.0.10. All right, here's my first host, my ESXi host. I have another one, 10.150.0.11, which these things have been running for a while now. I haven't used them, but they're up 10.150.0.12. So I have .10, .11, and .12 ESXi hosts. Now I need to use vCenter right? I need to go to vCenter. vCenter, where's my vCenter? vSphere replication, vSphere VM Visor installer, is this the one? vSphere replication, no? Where's the vCenter? I downloaded vCenter somewhere. Man, I don't know where it is. Update, Orange Pie, Ice River, vSphere, here, vCenter. This is vCenter, I think. There we go. Alright. So, vCenter Server 8.0 installer. Alright, so, okay. How do I, data protection, shares. Okay, block iSCSI share target. Is this the one? Turn on service, configure. Oh boy, I haven't done this for a long time. I don't know what any of this means. Crap. How do I point it to vCenter? John Germain, you don't need a zillion cache with 96 gigabytes of shitty memory. John Germain. I don't know what that means. UK minus code. Create dataset. I did. We created it here. Encryption. It says unencrypted. That scares me. ZFS deduplication off. Case sensitivity on. Enable ATEMA. What does ATEM mean? Compression. LZ4. Man, this is a lot of stuff. Alright. No, it's good smoke. Broski's, damn, Windows update shut down my computer for some reason. Okay, only video. What ASIC miners do you recommend? Are you keeping like... Okay, we're not talking about ASIC miners or GPUs right now. I'm trying to figure out now how to cluster. I need to cluster my 3 VMware hosts together. And we need to configure this. I think it's iSCSI. iSCSI is the connection to apps. Choose a pool for apps. VM Datastore. Choose. Is there a VMware app for this? Oh, I was thinking the same. I'm about to go type that. Game of Smoky Den. God damn it. Alright, screen says it's installing something. I think I saw something, TrueNAS had something about VMware support. Features, vCenter plugin. Administration, vCenter plugin. Deploy vCenter. Installing the vCenter server is a two-stage process. The first stage involves deploying a new vCenter server target. The second stage completes a setup of deployed vCenter server. Next to proceed stage 1. vCenter deployment target. Specify vCenter deployment server's target is ESXi host or vCenter server instance on which the vCenter server will be deployed. So I have .10, .11, .12. So .10 will be the main vCenter host. Sure. Root. I guess I'll put my I think that's the password. Yes, that's fine. I don't care. TrueNAS configures iSCSI and sharing. vCenter 01. Set root password. Red Panda. next. Deployment size. Very large. Storage size. Whatever. I don't know. No, I'm gonna say a medium. Memory. Storage. No. Memory? Wait, hosts up to 400? Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do 400. VMs up to 100? No, I'm gonna be tiny then. I'm gonna go tiny. No, I'll just do small. 4 cores. Alright, next. Install existing data store from target host. Show compatible data stores. Okay, so this is where we need to hook up the data store. How do we do that? I need to figure that out. Chia's on here. Wow. TrueNAS has a Chia thing here. Interesting. I wonder what that does. Let's see. VMware. Nope, there's no VMware pack. There's no VMware application. Okay, hold on. Let me just figure this out. Configure. Base name. I know this is something with this. Host names are IP address that are registered with iSCSI portal system separate entities by pressing enter. iSCSI listen port 3260. Datastore location for this vCenter server. You know what I just realized? I'm stupid. I don't have this server connected to the same 10 gig SFP plus switch that are with the hosts right now. This is getting a totally different IP range, different VLAN and everything. And I haven't put in my 10 gig NIC, so that's why I'm so stupid. That's why the data store is probably not going to show up. Alright. Well, that's it. We're gonna have to come back to this later. But we ultimately got the data store here, which is a good sign. 4.2 terabyte. Alright, that's it. Alright. Well, at least it's seems to be working now. CPU usage is 0. I have a lot of free RAM. RPM data store. Okay. Alright, network traffic. Alright. I need to put this onto my rack. I need to put the 10 gig NIC card in. And then we can try doing the iSCSI target. Right? Alright, that's it. Guys, thank you for helping me. All of you. Taines, Matt K. Who else helped me out? Overboard Tech, God forbid. Only 150. Patrick Murphy, thanks for helping. Not really. Techman, you too. MB for the win. What's MB? What's... Chili, I helped. Chili, you did help. Chili, how are you, by the way? Chili, what's up? What's MB? MB is a personal media server with apps just about on every device. Oh, okay. Is Plex server? Oh, dude, you can put Plex on here? Deploy Plex on TrueNAS Scale Canubris cluster. Dude! Well, I need way more storage. I need way more storage, though. I need way more storage for Plex. Hey, Storage A's on here. Oh, dude. Share your extra storage and earn money. Storage A. Nice. Oh, dude. Pi-hole. Oh, Pi-hole. I've been wanting to do this. DNS and ad filtering on your network. Everyone, I know a couple people who use Pi-hole, and it's pretty good. Wow, this has everything. This has literally everything. Matt K, I'll send you a link on Discord later to where you're wrong. Matt K, I'll send you a link later as well to where you're wrong. I was here for comic relief. Smokey Dan, goddammit. Tains, Fractus nodes use IPF for storage. Look into it. That's how they connect all the drives together. Tains, IPFS. Yeah, actually, I was just looking up here. Oh, there's WordPress here. Where's that? There's Minecraft server. Chia. I was wanting to read this. What's this? Container runs root user port. Key stored. Harvester. Harvester mode. Okay, this is like... Is this the node? This is like the Chia node. Alright, I'm not quite... Oh, IPFS. Oh, look at this. Here, Tains. IPFS. This is what you're talking about? Interplanetary File System, the Web3 standard for content addressing interoperable with HTTP. When application is installed, the container will be launched with root privileges as required in order to apply the correct permissions to the IPFS directories. Afterwards, the IPFS container will run as root, non-root user. Huh, interesting. Interesting. This is cool, man. This is actually a lot of... What's Radar? Radar is a movie collection manager for Usenet and BitTorrent users. Oh my god. This is... Alright, this is asking your ISP to probably, like... You're gonna, like, send you notices like, hey, you download this movie. Mine OS? What's this? There's a server front end for easy managing Minecraft administrative tasks. Nope. Mumble. Oh, dude, Mumble's the best. Open source, low latency, high quality voice chat. Hey, should we convert the RedPandaMining Discord to Mumble? We should create our own Mumble server. Let's do it. That's what Flux uses on Fractus nodes. Tains, that's awesome. Add True Charts, loads more apps. UK's Miner Club, True Charts. Doesn't show up here. True? Nothing. Launch Docker image. You need to add it to the catalog. Google it. Oh. UK's Miner Club, you Google it for me. God damn it. Just kidding. Alright. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for helping me. I'm gonna put the server up. I need to put the 10 gig NICs in, put the server up on the rack. Do you want me to do a part 3? Do you want me to continue? Does anyone? I don't think anyone's gonna do this. I don't know anyone that's gonna do the iSCSI route with 3 VM hosts and then like a Datastore separately on a different server. I don't know anyone that does that at home. I don't think anyone's interested. I don't think anyone is interested in doing that. Is anyone interested in doing that? I care about part 3. Part 3. I already know how to do it. UK's Mark. Of course you do. I don't know how to do it. I'm just doing this as for like. I'm just curious if it's gonna show up under my vCenter deployment thing here. Storage pool. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if it's gonna show up here or not. But it needs. I'm assuming it needs to be on the same subnet or whatever. In order to access the Datastore. Right? Am I right or am I wrong? I don't know. I'll watch, but man, iSCSI sucks with multiple iSCSI volumes on one server. Overboard Tech, now you're scaring me. Now you're scaring me. Sucks with multiple iSCSI volumes on one server. Well, I'm just doing one, not multiple. UK's Miner Club. Did you used to be a sysadmin? UK Miner Club? Yes, like 8 years ago. And VMware version 4. All right, we're in VMware version 8 now. I don't know anything. I have not played around with version 8 at all. Version 7, version 6. This is like 8-10 years ago. I don't know. I'm recollecting some things, but I don't remember everything about server stuff. Yeah. One server with one iSCSI volume is just fine. Overboard Tech, that's exactly what I want. That's all I want. Then part 119 for the GPU 20 GPU. I use iSCSI on my home network, several clients, but they weren't virtual clients. Oh, interesting. Setting up unique data sets for iSCSI on a single pool with redundancy. Yeah, I use Proxmox, can't help. I used to mine burst plots over the network. Oh my god. I used to do burst coin way back and I don't have my burst coin seed keys. I had like millions of burst coin. That's all gone now. That was a waste of time. Oh my god, I wasted so much time doing burst coin. What a terrible, terrible thing. Alright. Okay, bros, is there anything else you guys want to talk about before I leave? Or do you guys just want... Is there anyone streaming right now? Is there anyone streaming? We will redirect to them. How to remove stuck lug nuts plus broken stud repair. Yankee. Nice, man. Oh my god, that is a totally stuck lug nut. Is Geek of All Trade, is anyone streaming? Oh, Premiere's 2911. What day is 27? Okay, no, it's custom computing. That's in 2 days. All right, bros. All right, guys. 1 hour, 6 second, 20-minute mark. Mining King Flux interview. Douglas Hean. All right. Flux team interview.
For some of these things.
1 hour, 6 minute. 1 hour and 6 minute and 20.
I was getting at with that question is the network security of the actual node operator themselves, because
It's on the node operator again, isn't it? Like if you don't do anything to your network, even if you're not running a node, I would be worried.
Yeah.
I mean, but adding the node to your network though,
It opens you up easily. I get it. Like adding you that node, but that again, we
Well,
as
you
as an individual,
you
you
chose
have
to run the node on your network, right?
Yeah, like
So
that's
you
what
are
I'm saying
required
too.
to
Like,
have the skill to run it. You can
well,
run it in data center, right, or on some VPS where it's more expensive, right? But they take
that's
care
what
of
you
the
pay for. You pay
firewall
for that
and the
management.
networking for you.
Yeah. So
Matt,
there's
At home
some
networking too.
if you don't do it properly, you open yourself up for issues. Not just on the node level, on anything we do, but you're the one
true.
who made the decision to start running it at home, which I encourage everybody to do. But if you're not if you're not as safe or you don't feel safe doing it, there is options out there that we offer as Flux. There's options that third providers provide to you, host nodes and Goldie, and there's a couple others that provide you services. You can go to a VPS provider. You can go to a data center and put your server there, your own server there, and run it there like the DSS says. There's options out there, but if you have to do a little bit of research, um, and go ahead. I personally don't run any nodes at home anymore because I'm pretty open where I live, so it's easy to pinpoint on the map exactly where this guy lives. So I didn't do it anymore, um, but yeah, there's options out there. I use other options, um, and to fit my comfort levels.
All right. So he said it's on the node operators for encryption. Matt K, you have been proved wrong. All right? We proved it here. Thank you, Douglas Hayen. Thank you. Thank you, Douglas Hayen. He said it right here. Right in the beginning. Right here.
themselves.
Or you have to use Cisco or a TP link or Starlink from our friend.
I guess what I was getting at with that
Yeah.
question is the network security of the actual node operator themselves,
It's on the
because
node operator again, isn't it? Like If
Oh, it's good.
if you don't do anything to your network, even if you're not running a node, I would be worried.
Yeah, so it's obviously, yeah. I mean, so yeah, running your own encryption and all that kind of stuff, that you got to do that yourself. I mean, you're setting this up yourself at home. I mean, that has to be up to you. It's not up to someone else. Like, you're running this yourself. This is your own hardware. I mean, that makes sense in my mind. I don't know if, like, how is someone else supposed to do the encryption on their end? In my head, as a, like, I used doing this before. I mean, you're the one that's hosting your servers, your own software, everything in house. They said the encryption part is on. The encryption part is on the node operator. I, I might not. I swear I've heard that like a million times. Matt K. I don't know. Tains, you guys, is Tains here? Matt K. You still listening? I need some response. I need that satisfaction. Please reply in the live chat. Just kidding. Just kidding. All right. All right. All right, bros. That's it. We're done. Being being right is important to RPO. Being right is very important. Custom computing, don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me. Overboard Tech, all of you. No response is head down, walk away. I want Matt K to come in the live chat and say, I was wrong. That's it. That's all I want to hear. I want to hear it. I'll call out anyone that questions me. Just kidding. I do it all in good fun. All right, bros. That's it. That's it. What now? That's it. So wait. So, Overboard Tech. This still kind of scares me. It says unencrypted here. Like, that's fine, right? Or should I? Or it doesn't matter. It's fine. If I get hacked, I get hacked. I don't care. It doesn't matter. I don't care. I don't need encryption. Just hack me. Steal all my stuff. Tains. We'll look more when I get home. Sounds good, Tains. Honestly, encrypted is okay. Well, I'm worried. See, what I'm worried about is how, like, does encrypting on TrueNAS cause a lot more resources, like more RAM, more CPU, like how much more? Let's Google it. Let's Google it. Is there some? Can we Google that? Is ZFS encryption slow? The native encryption is very slow compared to non-encrypted datasets and ZFS alerts. It shouldn't be a CPU throughput problem, as both crypt set of OSS reach very high speeds during benchmarks. Massive performance degradation with encryption enabled. Okay, here we go. This is recent, 2022. I've noticed slow write speeds and high CPU load from the process W writing larger amounts of data to disk. Testing around a few things. I created an unencrypted and encrypted dataset, both with LZ4 compression and otherwise the exactly same options. I executed on both. Results. Encrypted dataset. Copied 160 megabytes per second. Unencrypted dataset was 323 megabytes per second. I don't think 160 megabytes a second is expected maximum I should be getting with this CPU. Interesting. So it's a pretty big performance. Must be a pretty big performance drop. 100 and about half. So going from unencrypted to encrypted is like losing half the speed. Dude, that's a lot. Very poor performance scale versus core. Feedback on performance with encrypted datasets. in your test stuff, that's what happens. I guess someone needs encryption for different tasks can be a hell of a lot of resources. Yeah. Okay. All right, here, Overboard Tech. RedPandaMining, it's still not just raw data on the disk. RAID Z shards as a part of its nature. Hey Panda, can you make a video on gold cache or look into it? They really need help. Golem mining, email me. Overboard Tech, like if you pull one of those drives out and pop it in the machine, you're not getting data off of it. Overboard Tech, I see. Okay. Golem, if he doesn't say anything, the diff will shoot up. Douglas Hean, it's bound to CPU. Would changing the CPU bork encryption? It uses your system RAM for data caching, dude. You'll be fine. It's a decent amount of overhead. And again, ZFS RAID Z automatically shards data as part of its striping. Okay. Okay, so Overboard Tech, what you're saying to me is don't do it. Don't do the encryption because it's gonna hamper. It's gonna hamper a lot, right? Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying to me? Not technical advice. Don't encrypt the disk. All right. All right. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I mean, so another thing, I mean, I guess Overboard Tech, what are the ways we can circumvent that then if we're thinking like someone hacked you? I guess having your own VLAN for this, right? Your separate VLAN for your TrueNAS or something, keeping it totally separated, or actually not even giving internet. Wait, I just thought of something. Wait, I remember in the networking world, iSCSI. Okay, hold on. All right, hold on. Overboard Tech, don't go. Overboard Tech, don't go. Don't go anywhere. Okay. Hold on. Okay. One HP box, another HP box, another HP box. Okay, so this is ESXi01. Okay, that's number 1. ESXi02, that's number 2, right? Okay, and ESXi03. All right, so these are my 3 boxes, right? Then this TrueNAS thing that we just built is here. All right, let's put it here. That's here, right? Okay, so this is the TrueNAS data store, whatever. Okay, so this is how I'm having it set up, right? So, but okay, now the networking part of it, all right, here, I'm just trying to put it in my head here. Okay, so switches, network switches. So 10 gig network switch here. Okay, 10 gig. So 10 gigabit unify here. Okay, so draw IO. Christ, lol, paint. Overboard Tech, let me be. Let me be. Let me do this. I don't know any of those websites, okay? Give me a break. All right. Okay, so 10 gig, 10 gig, 10 gig, and then 10 gig here. So normally, I believe it's done like this, where there's 2 separate. I have 2 10 gig NICs on each of these servers. One is going to be meant for the internet, or like for the network, right? And the other one is meant for iSCSI. Does that make sense? Like normally there'd be another 10 gig switch and then iSCSI traffic into that switch, right? Normally iSCSI, like the data store doesn't need internet. The data store, actually, yeah, the data store doesn't even need this crap. Data store doesn't even need this. It should in theory, the data store, the TrueNAS should be by itself, and then the 10 gig iSCSI traffic is supposed to go here. Am I right? That's what I was supposed to do. But having only one 10 gig switch, I only have one, I can then VLAN, I can do a VLAN that has no internet, no nothing, like for iSCSI, right? For iSCSI traffic, right? Just like in its own VLAN, but with no internet, no something like that. Is that what I'm trying to get at? Right? I'm trying to do something like that, right? Okay, I'm gonna just put iSCSI on its own VLAN and don't allow it to access internet or other VLANs. A private. Okay, that's exactly what I was thinking in my head. That's what I used to do before in VMware version 4, like way back in the day. We had a separate switch. We had a separate switch that was just meant for that was just meant for iSCSI by itself. It had no access to internet. It was like the IP addressing was like 169.254, those types of IPs. Like it was communicating through that. Like, does that make am I understanding that correctly? Am I understanding? It's been like 10 years. Joker Miner, my kid is drawing that. Joker Miner, you'd either run either VLAN and iSCSI config on the ASXi 10 gig NIC just for iSCSI traffic, and your native VLAN on top of it, actual network and management access. Yes, okay, Overboard Tech, okay. Or you can run a second physical NIC and a VLAN off ports for iSCSI and ESXi1 and TrueNAS box. Okay, okay, all right, that's what I want to do. Overboard Tech, TrueNAS has the ability to push iSCSI traffic on separate VLAN on the same NIC. I haven't used VMware ESXi. Okay. No, I know okay. All right, this is all making sense now. So getting access to this box, this goes back to like the unencrypted talk, is basically kind of null, essentially, right? I mean, I guess the access, in order for them to access that VLAN, which has no internet, it wouldn't be able to access this TrueNAS data store anyway. So being unencrypted, it wouldn't matter anyway in my head, right? Am I thinking this correctly, Overboard Tech, or no? Am I getting the gist of it or no? Overboard Tech, your network won't be vulnerable from iSCSI like that at all. Again, it's most risky just letting someone run Ubuntu on a node, which is not that risky IMO. Oh, bro, right. I see what you mean. Create a trunk can be done. Add all the VLANs you need on one physical interface. No, Zapirate, no. I want iSCSI on a separate 10 gig NIC. I bought a whole bunch of these $25 Intel 10 gig NICs. I have two. I'm gonna have two on each. I'm gonna have two 10 gig. I already have two 10 gig NICs on each physical host, and then I'm gonna have two, or no, one. Wait, two or one? No, yeah, I just need one for the TrueNAS data store, right? Oh, iSCSI is basically private. Overboard Tech, yes, RedPandaMining. You can do it that way or run it in VLAN in the same NIC, and it'll be fine. Okay. Okay. Physical separation is preferred, but VLAN separation will work good enough for you. You shouldn't saturate your 10 gig switch. Yeah, I definitely will not be saturating anything. I'm not like transferring my video files, like for my video editing, is all still like in my main PC. Like I don't transfer over network. I want to. One day I do want to have a big storage server for my videos, but that costs a lot. Smokey Den, draw us a Jesus. There, good enough. Is that what you want, Techman? There you go. Wait, this is blasphemy, isn't it? This is really blasphemous right now. This is really bad. How do I erase all this? This is bad. This is very blasphemous. Altrac, use 2 NICs for Datastore and lag. Altrac, I don't need 2 10 gig. I don't need 2 10 gig in lag, man. That's there's no way I'm gonna use 10 gig. Like, there's no way. I think I only have an 8-port 10 gigabit switch, Unify, and which the Unify you can specifically change the VLANs, whatchamacallit, the VLAN port on each port. Like, yeah. Okay, Church of Red Panda, and we pray. Linus has proven JBots are cheap. I guess that's true. Okay, that's it. We're done. I'm done. Overboard Tech, thank you for the amazing explanations. Thank you. Taines as well. Thank you, everybody. It's a pirate, you too. Okay. Is that it? Anyone streaming now? Let's see. Nobody else is streaming. Nobody's streaming. Alright. Take care, bros. You guys have a good day. Thank you for the help. That was fun. At least we got the data store up now. I can put it on the server rack. Good night. Have a good day. Goodbye. Golem Mining, you said email you. Where can I find your email? I checked some descriptions in a few vids. Golem Mining, I'm probably not going to make a video about, some of these coins. I don't really do that anymore. You can do contact@redpandamining.com, but I can't promise you I'm gonna make a video. Techman, what are you doing? Techman, why are you doing this so... No, Techman, why? Don't do that. Nick Riley, All Set Miner, Rye Clo, Hilo Crypto, Mike Hill. No. Gulamane Ploof. Thank you, Techman, for the 5 gifted subs. Right at the end. For real. Okay. Good night. You guys have a good rest of your day. Peace out. See you tomorrow. All track leg, good for failover too. You're right. All track, you're right. That's true. I need more failover. That's true. Alright. Good night, bros. Have a good one. Success.
regular version as well.